Hi, my name is Brooke, and I am here with ASU Health. In honor of Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month, I'm here to interview Stanley. Would you like to introduce yourself, Stanley?
Hi guys, my name is Stanley Zhang. I am a junior studying kinesiology, and I'm also part of Bear the Honors College.
What made you interested in a career in health?
It's actually interesting because when I was like growing up, I had basically no idea what I was gonna do. Even like throughout high school, like I kind of figured out what I want to pursue my senior year. And mainly the influence was my grandma. So she was a nurse back in China, and I was born here, but I was raised in China. So she was one that kind of raised me, and basically just her sacrifice and everything that she did, kind of like made me want to go into like this field. And although I'm not going to be a nurse, but I still want to be a doctor, so she did influence me in choosing like this career.
So, what is your major and why did you choose it?
Again, my major is kinesiology. I know some people like might think like, oh, why don't you choose like health solutions or no medical studies because that's more for like MD job. But since I want to do orthopedics, that's why I lean towards kinesiology rather than medical studies.
What has your favorite class or experience at ASU been?
Yeah. So I had a lot of like classes. Right now, I'm actually over like the 120 mark. Um, but I would say one of my favorite classes is ironically like anatomy. So I know a lot of people who are in health, studying health, they really don't have a strong feeling towards anatomy because of how hard the course is. But I personally enjoyed anatomy, especially at downtown for 202, because I also took 201 in Tempe, and I had a better experience with 202 because they had a lot more activities, and I actually was able to retain a lot of information, and I know that will help me when I get into medical school and further out in my career.
Are you involved in any extracurricular activities?
Um, I would say yes. So I am like a few clubs that I'm part of. MedLife at ASU, Space in Tempe. I'm also part of the Kinesiology Honor Society Club. Um, After that, like I do volunteering and trying to do research and internships, but mainly just like volunteering at hospitals. But yeah.
That's awesome. What are your career goals for the future?
Right. So with kinesiology, I wanted to do orthopedics. So, but I don't want to like stay at a hospital long term. I know like going into the career, I would have to for sure like be at a hospital for a certain period of time. But my end goal is be a sports physician for like a sports team. So hopefully I'll be there one day, and preferably I'll be on the Lakers. This is my favorite team. But to start, I'll take any team.
Do you have any advice for future students?
Yeah, 100%. So especially for students that are seeking like a medical career, make sure like you don't like kind of um not like slack off, but like be behind and like procrastinate, because I know I procrastinated throughout my like studies, and it just is not like helpful in the end, right? You're gonna have to learn the materials anyway, so it's just more work later on. So I get like college could be tough and schedules and everything, but when you first transition, try to like be on top of it, and also ask for help. Your classmates, your roommates, whoever, right? They're basically going through the same thing, so it's always good to like have someone else talk with someone else and not go through it alone.
Some good advice. Thank you for sharing. And in honor of Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month, is there something part of your culture that you would like to share with us?
So as like I guess Chinese, there's just like Chinese New Year's already passed, but that was something that we did growing up, and especially me as a kid, having spending time with family and everything. So that's always been a huge part. Um, but if you guys do want to like celebrate like API with us, I'm also part of Barrett, and I'm doing an event called API Beyond the Acronym event. So that event will be happening April 10th, and it's basically just an event to celebrate all the different identities, and as a community just come in and chill. There's gonna be food, performances. So if you want to like check it out, learn more about API, feel free to hop on by. It'll be at the Arizona Center.
Right, that's it.